All right, here it is. Finally got on the trailer. Show you guys the damage. Insurance took it all apart. They put all the parts on the pallet. Already put it in the truck. But it's really clean other than the front end. The body a little bit. For some reason the exhaust tips are off. But it looks like an aftermarket exhaust in there. This side. Yeah, carbon fiber diffuser. This thing's beautiful. The dash airbag deployed in the driver. Hopefully I don't have to replace the dash. But there it is. Alright, we finally got it home and off the trailer. Show you guys a little more details. Let's go to the front end, get the damaged parts. So starting here, the fender looks like it's in good condition. A little bit of scrape over there. We can get that fixed. Let's go to the front end. This rail, frame rail, looks like it's in good condition as well. The bracket is a little bent, but that can be pulled out, no problem. This rail is a little bent. I'm not sure if we'll pull that out or if we'll just change the front piece. Looks like it's TIG welded right there, so it shouldn't be hard to replace. I'll have to put it on the frame machine and see what we'll do. Other than that, it's not that bad. The aprons are really far up here, so they are good. Both side aprons are straight, no damage. This side fender is also not damaged. Looks like the headlight pushed it in a little bit, took off the paint. That's not a big deal. Going on to this wheel. Clean, no damage. Really nice wheels. It comes in the premium package. I think look a lot better than on the older models. This is a 2017 with only 11,000 miles, so almost brand new. We'll need all the piping, need the radiator, condenser, fan, support, all of that. And it actually looks like the turbo pipes were carbon fiber. Not sure if it was upgraded or not. We'll have to look into it. Let's go around the car. So the driver's side is all clean. No damage, the door is super clean. Quarter panel is clean. The wheels, man, these wheels look so good. Here's the back side. It looks awesome. So I already put the exhaust tips back on. They turned out to be in the trunk. And the exhaust is actually OEM. I thought it was aftermarket, but it's not. What I'm guessing is the previous owner had an aftermarket one on there and they put the original one back on before putting it on auction. But look how nice it looks. The premium package bumper. It's so wide. Let's go around to this side. This side is really clean as well. Quarter panel's clean. Wheels are clean. No damage on this side. That's about it. Let's go in the interior. Check out these door handles. I guess it's a GTR thing. All right, interior is amazing. Ricardo seats, black and red. I don't know what this is. Looks like some kind of tank, maybe for the windshield wipers or something. Got some more bolts in here. Look at all that carbon fiber. Steering wheel airbag deployed. We'll need to replace that. Dashboard airbag. Get the interior from the driver's side. All right, here it is. Carbon fiber trims. The seat belts did blow. I will have to get the driver's side and the passenger side fixed. For some reason, the seats were loose as well. I'm not sure why insurance would unscrew them, but I did bolt them in already. And funny thing is, I had a GoPro mounted right there, which they did not take. I'll look at the footage, see what it is. Maybe we'll have footage of it crashing. That'd be awesome. But here it is. Okay, I got all the parts out. Damage wasn't that bad. The hood just got some damage right here and over there. Then the bumper, the fog lights are still good because I know those are expensive. The other side is good as well. Even the lower lip is still fine. It just needs to be painted, but I'll be able to reuse it. Headlights are both cracked. This one is damaged in the back. Kind of sucks, but it's fine. A lot of good little things. I'm happy that insurance company left all the bolts, side markers, more bolts, a lot of little plastics. But all of those cost a lot of money at the dealer. The crash bar over here is what took most of the damage. Looks like he hit a pole or something. So I found a little issue. Not sure if it's little or big, but engine cover comes off. I guess insurance bolted that. And the whole manifold is loose. It's missing a lot of bolts, and it's only on a couple of them. All the bolts are missing. And the manifold gasket is just on the side. They never put it in there. So when I turned the ignition on, all of the gas just started spraying out because the injectors are missing as well. The rails are there, but the injectors are not, and nothing's plugged in. That's why I was wondering why all these plugs and little hoses and everything's unplugged, because it looks like they took off the manifold, took out the injectors. My guess is that it had aftermarket upgrades, probably aftermarket injectors, tune and all that, and then the owner, before putting it back on auction, took everything off and just threw it back together. That's what I'm hoping, at least. I'm hoping the engine is good, because if it's not, then that would suck. I'm gonna have to look into it more. It does have the owner information inside. There's his business cards, so I'm gonna be giving him a call, see if I can get a hold of him and see what exactly happened here. But until then, I'm not even sure what to think now. All right guys, little update. So I did go through the footage on the GTR, and I was right. This thing was tuned. There was videos of the previous owner at the drag strip. He did have mods. I'm not sure exactly what he did have on it. I know he had an exhaust, which he took off. I know it was tuned. I just need to get a hold of him. Any parts yet, do none of that until I know exactly what happened to it and what's wrong with the engine. If you guys want to see this Nissan GTR get rebuilt, follow the channel. I'll get the whole process of rebuilding it going. And at the end of it, I will reveal the price, what I paid for it off the auction, what all the parts cost me, and if it was worth it or not. It is a 2017 model. I played a whole bunch of them and they went for just too much. I think I got a little lucky on this one. It was a pretty good price, and I'll let you know what it was later. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned for the next video. Maybe, hopefully, we'll get this beast started.